Welcome back to origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this origami lotus flower. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, and we'll start by folding our paper on both diagonals. In next step, we'll bring all four corners to the center point. And once more, we'll fold them to the center point. Just like this. Now we'll turn our paper around, and again we'll fold all four corners to the middle. Next, we will unfold this last step and turn our paper around. And now we'll fold this top layer of the paper outwards, and we'll fold it from the center outwards, and we'll leave half of centimeters from the outside line. Like this, and press it down, and do the same on all sides. Like this. Now that we have it, we'll turn our paper around, and we'll fold these top corners, so from the top layer to the center. And the petals of our lotus will start to fall, so we just round them a little bit and repeat the same steps on all four sides. And the last one. And now all that we need to do is to fold this bottom part of the paper and try to roll it outwards. And when we do this, we won't have the normal flat shape of it, but it will be a little bit rounded so that it stays. And just try to pull them outwards so that the lotus will stay in its shape. And the last one. And this is how you make origami lotus. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in next one. Bye!